Welcome to RK's Digital Training. In this video, I'm going to demonstrate how do you do alignment. The first one which we are going to see, how do you do wrap text and what is the purpose of it. Say for example, if I have a column, in first column I have written serial number and second column I am writing banking sector. If you see, this got moved from the column B. So generally what we will be doing, we will be just clicking on this and then automatically the cell will get adjusted. So if instead of that, what I'm going to do, you just select this and click on option called wrap text, click OK. Automatically you will be able to see that will get adjusted into the same cell. So if you wanted to adjust the value into your current cell, then you are going to make use of wrap text. Okay, and I'm just making it back and just clicking like this and then private and then digital. See, now what I wanted to do, I wanted to have these columns, the column number A, B, C, D, not in this format. Like I don't wanted to show in this manner. I wanted to display them vertically. So vertically, generally what you will be doing, you will be right clicking on it and then clicking on format, and then you will have an option called alignment, and here you will try to change the size to 90 degrees, then automatically it will get changed to this format. So instead of doing this way, you can do in another way. Select the required column and go to your alignment section. Here you have an option, see, anti-clockwise direction, or you have an option anti-clockwise direction, angle counterclockwise, angle clockwise, and vertical. This is what we have done, and then rotate text, and then you have rotate text down. So like that you have multiple options instead of going into the format cells. So you can make use of this option just to make the text in the required format. So what are all the options we have seen? Angle counterclockwise, angle clockwise, vertical text, rotate text up, rotate text down. Thank you for watching.